Press locking tab, green arrow, to release the wiper blade from the wiper arm and slide off the wiper arm. Depending on the brand of wiper blade, the release tab may need to be pressed towards or away from the wiper arm. Slide the wiper blade off of the wiper arm. Slide the new wiper blade onto the wiper arm until the locking clip engages. For the wiper motor and component replacement, you want to begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Please see the link at the end of this video for an article on battery replacement and reconnecting notes. With the battery disconnected, open the hood and gently pry the wiper arm nut trim cap using a small flathead screwdriver. Mark the position of the wiper arms using a crayon. This will help get them in the same position when you're reinstalling. Next, remove the 15mm wiper arm nuts as indicated by the green arrows. Wiggle the wiper arm to remove it from the shaft. This is easier to do with the hood closed. Be careful not to scratch the paint when the wiper arm becomes loose. Next, you have to remove the wiper cowl trim. Start by grabbing at the right corner and pulling up, disconnecting the trim clips as you work your way towards the left side. Once all the clips have been disconnected, remove the wiper cowl trim from the vehicle. Inspect the cowl trim. This piece of trim is subject to UV damage and falls apart. Replace if needed. Remove the engine covers. Again, please see the link at the end of this video for detailed instructions on how to perform those tasks. Working near the left shock tower, remove the rubber weather strip from the body by pulling it off, as indicated by the yellow arrow. Rotate the panel clips 90 degrees counterclockwise to release, green arrows. Next, pull the hoses up and out of the trim panel, green arrows. Be careful not to lose the hose mounts, they have a tendency to fall off the hoses. Then pull the trim panel, yellow arrow, up to remove, guiding it past the hoses. Remove the two T30 torque fasteners, green arrows, from the blower motor bulkhead, purple arrow. Then remove the blower motor bulkhead cover, purple arrow. Working in the wiper cowl area on the left side, remove the right wiper linkage by prying up with a flathead screwdriver, green arrow. If you want to inspect the wiper arm pivots, remove the lower wiper linkage also, green arrow. Once both linkages have been removed, check that both wiper pivots move freely and without resistance. You can do this by grabbing the linkage and moving it back and forth. Then disconnect the wiper motor electrical connector by the release tabs and sliding it off, green arrow. Working behind the wiper motor in the cowl, remove the 10mm wiper assembly mounting fastener, green arrow. Remove the two 24mm nuts from the wiper pivots, green arrows. Use a flathead screwdriver and lever off the rubber insulators from the wiper pivots. Next, remove the wiper assembly from the vehicle. Guide it out of the cowl and place it on your workbench. Remove the wiper motor fasteners, green arrows, and then remove the wiper motor from the linkage. 3 10mm and 1 13mm nut. Install a new wiper motor on the assembly, then install the assembly into the vehicle. Install all fasteners finger tight, then tighten. This ensures proper assembly alignment. Install linkage to the wiper motor and connect the electrical connector. Use a flathead screwdriver and lever against the wiper cowl to engage the wiper linkage onto the ball joints. Connect the battery and turn the wipers on and then off. This will park the wipers. Install the wiper arms with the blades in the position they were removed from and tighten the fasteners. Install the trim caps, then reassemble the engine covers and recheck the wiper operation. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.